Hey guys, wow, this looks sucks. Let me try. That's better. Ooh, so bright. But here I am. And if you didn't guess, I look wretched. And I probably should put my eye makeup on. Maybe some lip color. But I don't want to do face marks. I really don't have any. Look at me, I'm like a slob. I have the container. Bowl of milk carton. So me and my sister do that entire pile of laundry there. Clean up the scattery mess. And then go in the kitchen and do that big, right there, you see how it looks like trash? That's actually that high of dishes. Like what? This is probably disgusting. This is like frosting chocolate we made earlier. My uneaten finished oatmeal, which is probably like, I made this like 6 hours ago, so that's good. Hi, boy! Oh, you cannot see him at all. Poop. Good morning. Oh, okay. Nice to see you too. Yeah, so I think I need almost break something, so I think I'm gonna clean for like an hour and like 20 minutes. No! Look at this guy, he's trying to leave me. So, my outfit's ratchet, like, ooh, outfit of the day. We got a new, oof, I'm terrible. We got a new mirror, and I think I'm in love with it. But it's like design on it, and things gonna fall sooner or later. So, I'm going to show you my outfit. Okay, hopefully you're my backpack. I have this "You Mad Bro" t-shirt. You might know it from if you live in Seattle. Do you know this? Because it was Richard Sherman who said this a long time ago, and I just have this t-shirt. I have my uniform pants for school. Maybe you can't see it, I'll just do this. My uniform pants for school. And my boots. Yeah. Ooh. So that's currently my outfit of the day. Let's go check out my dog. So cute. You wanna say hi? Let me slip her out of the way. Just say hi to the vlog. Your face gonna be in it. Oh, can't get a good shot. What you got in your mouth, huh? It's gonna be in your face. It's so big. I'm not gonna hang with him. 20 minutes later, I'm literally having a conversation with an almost halfway sleeping dog. I fell off the staircase just now. Like, I don't know, do you guys know how to put these, like, on that thing? Like, I'm having, like, an issue, just, like, I don't know. I have one of these, like, door stopper things, because it's really one for our house. I put it together, and I'm having an issue. I did that one, over in the chair next to his thing, which was easy to pop it on. This one's having... What's up with you? Whining and ruining my vlog. Dick is scratching your leg. So I have an issue. Shoes. Let's try putting doorknobs. So oh, I think I got it. I'm just gonna wait till my mom gets home so she can fix it. Come here. No. Over. Big boy. Huh? You wanna go outside? Yeah? Oh my god, your face, your ears, just retarded. You look look like a freaking weirdo. Okay. Okay. You're weird. Love me! I said love me! You won't love me anymore. This looks like a lot of dogs have this adorable face. Like, look at that. Oh, okay. German Shepherds are probably the cutest dogs ever. I don't know what's wrong with this dog. He has management, like, problems and stuff, so he's over here looking. What the heck? Okay. Bye. Okay, I'm gonna take him out. He's literally asking me, hey, no! Look what you did. Ah, so bright! Oh, look at all those brown spots. Come on. Let's go. He's just like pulling me, like literally pulling me, like. Okay. Like, OMG, that bush is like, he's like sitting here, but I think I should get the bush. But that bush is just so pretty. It's long and beautiful. Okay, you can wait. But yeah. So I'm gonna walk him around for a little bit so he can lose some energy. So, peace. I'll vlog. Come on. So, he likes to sniff these flowers and like play with them because he's obsessed with flowers. Like, we raised him to do that like so much. We're going for a walk and I'm looking ratchet, so casual. Come on. I'm looking so ratchet right now, like. But we're walking him, and I'm walking him. Ugh. So tired! Ah! Just wanna like change into my sweats and chill, but like there, I don't really want to go up there. So I guess I'll take a smile on a Saturday vlog. So, bye.